how to start a YouTube channel and get it monetized within a short time frame. My name is Joshua, and one of the things I like doing myself is to explore opportunities that will help me grow my visibility, my product, and also my business. And in recent times, I've also found it very interesting to make video content actually. Though I'm not one of, if you check my YouTube channel, the one you're watching right now, you will discover that this year alone, I've not been so proactive in shooting a lot of video content before this time. But after now, you probably will see a lot more of my videos. But ideally, when I have time for myself, I make video content because I'm not a full-time video content creator. But amazingly, I've been able to start up a YouTube channel like this one, monetize it, get a lot of views for this channel, and I can tell you it's super profitable. You can make money from it as a video content creator on YouTube. And my goal today is to show you how to start a YouTube channel. And starting is not the problem. Where the problem comes in is how do I now grow it to have my first 1,000 subscribers, my 4,000 watch time, and then get it monetized and scale from there. Of course, YouTube pays me almost every month. Pays me every month, not like almost every month. And amazingly, the money you can make from making these videos, and when you make these videos, you put them there, they're already there for a lifetime, unless you go and remove it yourself. And the opportunities there for you to grow your visibility and that of your product and business is super massive. So ideally, if you are still thinking, should I have a YouTube channel? Yes, of course. I would encourage you to get one today, even if you don't end up being a full-time video content creator like I am at this moment, but you can become one over time in the future. Who knows, I might turn to becoming one full-time. But ideally, when I have time, I share my knowledge, my wisdom, some of the things I've learned doing my business myself. I come on my YouTube channel to share it with people, and people take them, apply it, and they also see results for themselves. And I use it as a means of also giving out to the community and giving out to people back, giving back knowledge to people. You can now start doing this. The profits are a lot, but my goal today is to show you how to start your own YouTube channel this year and also get monetized in a short time frame. I've done it myself, so it's not like, have you done it? I've done it already, and I've helped people actually do it for themselves as well. So ideally, if you want to start up a YouTube channel, the first question is always, why should I do it, and how can I consistently provide video content? Like I said, the consistency is key, but at the same time, let's say you have businesses that you run, you're not subjected to create video content every second, every day. There are very, very amazing YouTube creators that make one video per week. You don't need to like pigeonhole yourself and be like, I need to make videos every single day. But the beauty of all of this thing is that the more consistent you are, the faster the results. That's the honest truth. And if you start today, it's a head start for you to start now, because starting now would shorten the time you have to wait to get monetized, right? So if you feel like, okay, I can't start now because I'm not ready for it, anytime you're going to start, that's when the time will start counting for you. So what I ideally would recommend is create a channel when you have time. Of course, you have to create the time, make video content and post. But how do you start? First of all, of course, you have a Gmail. If you're watching this video, probably have a Gmail account, and then you can use that. You basically just click on the create YouTube channel somewhere around this video. On top, at the place you have your face icon, then you set up your own. It's a very simple process, doesn't even take a lot of time. I've done a video on it, probably I'll put in the description on how you can create your account step by step. But let's say you've now created your account. The next line of action is, how do I now make my videos? And I'm going to say this first of all, you don't need to make powerful videos, top-notch quality videos like the one you're watching right now. If you go down my YouTube channel, if those videos are still there, you see that my older videos were not as amazing as the ones I make today. Of course, there is room for growth. But ideally, when you want to start up, let's say, for example, you're an internet marketer, you run an online business, and what you want to talk about doesn't require your face. When I started off, I started with a faceless YouTube channel. I wasn't showing my face. I was basically recording my screens. So I record my laptop screen, demonstrating what I want to teach, and then I upload, because as at then, I didn't have all of the amazing gadgets to shoot amazing videos the way I wanted it. Although that's not the key not to start, right? So I was using screen recording to teach. That's one way to make your videos, and you have less stress in creating video contents and visuals, lighting, microphone, camera, and all of those stuff. But ideally, you can also explore the option of using your smartphone. let's say you have a good smartphone. For those who have good smartphone, that the camera is at least, you know, so that you don't end up producing video content that is so bad to watch. People would not want to like stay on your channel actually. So it's better you don't do it than just coming out to say, okay, I have a phone, let me just shoot very, very bad quality video content. Of course, they won't go viral easily on YouTube, and of course, people will not enjoy watching it. You want to make something that is pleasing and cool to watch, right? I'm telling you the honest truth. So if you can't do screen recording, if you have a good phone, you can as well shoot these videos with your phone. I've done a couple of videos with my iPhone before. Most of the videos I make on my social media, Instagram, TikTok, I use my iPhone to make those videos ideally. So that also means that you can as well make videos with your smartphone. It takes a very simple process. Have a tripod. Even if you don't have a tripod, you can use something to just hold your phone ideally and then talk straight to your camera. There are particular programs I will recommend for those who want to learn how to use their smartphone to make videos. Content video workshop program by Danny Amara. Amazing. I think it's about few dollars to get that program. He taught extensively how he uses phone. In fact, the quality of his video will almost look like my own, or even far better than my own. But he uses a smartphone, an iPhone actually, to make his videos on Instagram. Check him out on Instagram, Danny Amara, aka called Apostle of Design. Take his program if you want, and you will probably enjoy it. I'll put the link in the description. So that's the step 2. But like I said, see that you are recording your screen or you are making with your phone if you have a good phone. If you have the money to buy cameras, I would recommend to start with a DSLR camera and then buy a wireless microphone if you can afford it, or a clip mic like the one I'm wearing right now. I have a wireless and a clip mic as well. So you can buy any of these ones and then start recording. You don't need any sophisticated gadget. And if you want to now go pro a little bit, you can then install Premiere Pro on your laptop or your desktop and then edit your videos after recording. But this video right now you're watching, this is like the raw part of it. Like I shot it because I have a couple of gadgets that helps me create this kind of ambience, all right, for my video. So that's not like where the whole story stops. But the next line of action is now, how do I now get my first 1,000 subscribers? And how do I now get 4,000 watch time? So when you start a YouTube channel, you want to focus, ideally, if your goal is to monetize in a short time frame, you want to focus on making videos that will go viral. You don't want to make videos that will just have 50 people watching it, 10 views, 25 views, or 3 views. That's not what you want to achieve, because ideally you have less subscribers and the visibility of your channel is still low. So you want to focus on viral content. There are people that use viral content to monetize, and then they now focus more on talking about their business and all of those other informations. Ideally, there are videos I make ideally just for myself and for my business. I don't even care if it goes viral, but it's just there and people still watch them, right? So but when you're starting off, you want to focus on videos that will go viral. So look for keywords around your business or what you want your channel to be talking about, and pick topics that have tendency of going viral. So these tendencies are SEO optimized keywords. So you can basically use Google extensions, Google Chrome extensions like TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a very nice tool. Actually, I use it myself. And then analyze keywords that are related to your industry and use those titles that it will generate for you to make videos, and then optimize it with by adding the right keywords in your video when you're recording your videos. For example, when this video started, I said YouTube channel, which is like a major keyword in this video. Starting a YouTube channel. So there are keywords you have to use on your headline, use them in your videos, beginning, closing, and middle of it, and of course use them in your description and in your keyword tags also. This will help lift your visibility. Ideally, you can also extend this by sharing. When you make a video on YouTube, share your video on other social media platforms. You can even get friends who have bigger following to share your video on their handles and then say something about it and get people to watch it. The more your channel gets exposed, the more you begin to attract more visibility to your videos, and that's what you want to do. And if you're able to apply these things, you are able to, of course, get more subscribers. And of course, what you want to do is to encourage people to subscribe in your videos. Hey bro, hey guys, enjoying this video, subscribe. That will help you scale so fast on YouTube and get your 1,000 subscribers in a little time frame. One of the things you can actually do is if you have built following on other social media platforms, then this process will be way easier for you. For example, on Twitter right now, I have over 23,000 followers on Twitter as at the time of recording this video. That means that if I was going to start up a YouTube channel right now, I just need one person to join this video, 1,000 person from my Twitter to subscribe to my channel, and I'm up. Okay, so that's exactly what you want to do for yourself. So I believe this information helped you to get started. Don't wait to get started later. Start now and then begin to do it little by little, and then you achieve this. That's the best way to start. Procrastination won't help you. All right, so you enjoyed this video or you have questions to ask me about creating your YouTube channel, I'll be in the comment section. Hit in the comment section and share your thought about it. If you have not started, tell me why you've not started. If you have started, I want to know your experience running a YouTube channel in the comment section. See you in my next video.